Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create an account on Dubsmash. So I guess you are already familiar with this Dubsmash as app, where we can set out dialogue to a predefined action video. So once you download this from the Play Store, if you open this is the starting screen, what you see to create an account, there is a login symbol here. So if you choose this option, this is for the already registered user. So if you are the new user and want to create a new account, click on sign. Okay, once you click on sign up, you will be asked to enter your Gmail. So just enter your Gmail. Okay, once you enter your Gmail, click on next. So this is the username. This is suggesting your username. Anyway, you can change this. If it is available, it will show the tick mark here and click on next. You can choose a password, enter the password. So you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. So once you enter, click on next. So here you must be 14 years. So for that, remember that condition, and you can choose your country and you can choose your language. That's it. Here is your profile. If you want to check, this is your profile. You can keep your picture here. If I click on this, my gallery will be opened. I can set my image. You can click on settings here. You can change, you can log out, you can change the settings there. You can add friends here. So that's it here. If you want to create your first Dubsmash video, click on this create. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.